Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my Victa 2-stroke lawnmower and we're going to be doing some work on this lawnmower to make it start easier. Now you may have seen a previous video where I replaced the needle and the primer bulb on this carburetor, which really made a vast improvement. But recently it has become harder to start. Like it starts on the second or third pull, but I want it to start on the first pull. So let's have a look at it. So now that we've given it a quick clean, let's get the tank off, let's get the rest of it cleaned, and let's get into it. So just having a look at the mower after giving it that quick clean, I can see the spark plug is really old and rusty. So I think we need to put a new spark plug in and then we'll take it from there. I mean, look at that spark plug, folks. That really is ancient. Look at the rust on it and look at the absolute crust on the bottom of the tip. So that's a Champion CJ8 spark plug. So let's go get a new one. All right, so we've got a new plug to put in there. Pop that new plug in. And put the boot back on. Alright, so now that we've put the new spark plug in, before we do anything else, let's pop the fuel tank back on and let's see if it'll start on the first pull. So there you go, folks. As simple as popping a new spark plug in, and this Victa 2-stroke lawnmower from the 80s started first pull there. So let's do a bit more of a clean up on this Victa 2-stroke and make it look as good as we damn well can. So I just popped out to the shed and found this Tyre Shine, which is for tyres and bumpers. Let's give the Victa a bit of a spray with this and see how she comes up. Jeepers, who would have thought using a bit of a Tyre Shine on the old Victa, even on the tank. How good's that looking? Even on the deck, you know. Want to make the Victa look good. So there you go, folks. don't just throw away your Victa 2-stroke, which has got a little bit hard to start. You've seen in the previous video where I replaced the fuel cap and the needle to get the carburetor right. And then today I've replaced the spark plug. These are simple maintenance tips you can do on these lawnmowers, and they will last for 40, 50 years. Here we now have a good looking mower, which is easy to start and will start first pull every time. So that's it, folks. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.